Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. Today I'm going to teach you English grammar, lesson number 1, noun. Okay, noun, you know it, what it is. You have been you studying this right from your class first onwards. Okay, and from that time onwards, you know what the definition of noun is, what it is. A naming word is called a noun, right? Naming word, right? So naming word means what? Whatever names are there. Okay, name of a person, Ramesh, Sita, Geeta, Meera. Okay, name of a place, Ajmer, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. Okay, name of a thing, what do you call, table, chair. Okay, all these things are known as the noun. Okay, naming words, right? They are called naming words. Now if you see in your book page number 9, okay, let's do. So first it is given here, given below is a passage about some insects that are not harmful. Read it. So a paragraph is given, a passage has been given about some insects that you have to go through it. And on next page, page number 10, you have to find out the common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, you have to find out the common noun and proper noun from the passage as the question given. How many proper nouns and common nouns are there in the passage on page 9? Write them in appropriate columns in the table given below. So that is your homework. You have to find out the names of the insects are given. So in those insects name, you have to find out the names of the proper noun and common noun, and you have to list them in this place. Okay, this is your homework. Now coming to the definition, what is given in the book is this: a noun is a naming word. It is a word we use to name persons and other living beings, objects, places, ideas and feelings. Okay, now this is the definition. Now you are grown up, you are in class 7, so you should not write the definition. Naming words are called nouns. Okay, this is no more. This is now you are grown up, you are in class 7, so you should broaden the definition. You have to write little bigger, okay, little longer. How it is? That is given in your book. A noun is a naming word. It is a word we use to name persons and other living beings, objects, places, ideas and feelings. So this is your definition. So you should by heart this definition very well. Now nouns can be countable or uncountable. We know this, countable and uncountable. By the word countable and uncountable, we know countable means what? Which could be counted, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is called countable. Okay, which could be countable. Now examples are given here. How many? Now countable nouns are the nouns that can be counted. These nouns can be used to answer the question how many. Okay, countable. If you want to know in a sentence which noun it is, countable or uncountable, ask the question how many and you will know what it is. No, how many books have you read? I have read 3 books. Okay, 3 books. How many books? 3 books. How many balls you have? 2 balls. How many bags you have? 2 bags. How many cup of tea you have drunk? 2 cup of tea. Okay, 2 cup. That is countable. Cup of tea can be counted. So 2 cup of tea. That is what? No. So remember, countable, which could be counted, which could be what you call question is asked how many. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted. Okay, uncountable nouns are those which cannot be counted, and these nouns can be used to answer the question how much. Okay, countable how many, and uncountable how much. How much sugar do you want? I want 1 teaspoonful sugar. Okay, how much sugar? 1 teaspoon. We cannot count the sugar, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. Okay, we cannot. Sugar cube? Yes, we can count. Okay, sugar cube. How many cubes? 1 cube or 2 cube? 2 cubes. Okay, that's the way. But sugar as such cannot be. So how we count that? We count it through the question how much. Okay, how much you need? 2 tablespoons. That is what. So it cannot be thing. Okay. Then how much water is in the bucket? There is a lot of water. Okay, how much water? Lot of water. Now there are different types of nouns. Okay, different types of, you see on the page number 11 the chart. Okay, the different nouns, types of nouns are given. Proper noun, common noun. Under common noun you have got again concrete noun, abstract noun, material noun and collective noun. This is a different types of nouns. Now when we talk about proper noun, okay, proper noun, it is a name of a particular person, place or object. Okay, particular person, place or object. Okay, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. For example, Pranab Mukherjee, Bombay, Friday. So okay, always this proper noun is always begins with a what do you call capital letter. Always starts with a capital letter. As we say, what do you call proper noun Sita. So it is always Sita is written capital S-I-T-A. Okay, Sita. So capital letter Sita. Okay. What do you call Ram? Ram. Again capital R. Okay, it's a name of a proper person. Okay, proper person. So name of a person. Now if you call a man or what do you call uncle, aunt, like that, then they are what? They are not at all proper. They are common, because so many uncles are there, so many aunts are there whom you are calling, right? So you have to call by the name. Okay, by the name, then only they will look towards you. Otherwise all will look at you. So that's why names are given. Similarly, place, different places names. Okay, Gorakhpur. In Gorakhpur also so many places are there. Gida, Khajni, Rustampur. All these are places names. Okay. Then object. Now here you have to keep in mind object. Now what are the proper noun object could be? Now you cannot say mobile phone. Okay, that is common noun. But if you say Apple mobile, then it's a proper noun. Samsung mobile, it's a proper noun. If you say what you call table, again it's a common noun. But when you add some name, just like what do you call cello table. Okay, cello table, it's a proper noun. So that's the way. Now pen, the common thing. Okay, pen, you say, if you say that pen is a proper noun, no, it is a common noun. But if you give a name, Parker pen, then it's a proper noun. If you say cello pen, it's a proper noun. If you say Reynolds pen, it's a proper noun. Understood? So proper noun is that noun which has got a particular name, okay, which is unique in itself. Okay, particular name. Okay, that is what it is called a proper noun. Okay. Now when we come upon to common noun, common is what? If you see in the book, it is the general name of persons, animals, things or objects. Common from the Latin communis means general, that is belonging to all. For example, ant, grasshopper. Okay. Now a proper common noun is common to all, a general names. Okay, just example, for example, your teachers, they are common. But if you take a particular name, what you call Miss Smita, she is proper noun. So she is different from common. Now she is not a common noun. She is a proper noun. But if you call teacher, then it's a common noun, right? Students, it is a common noun. Principals, it is a common noun. School, it's a common noun. But if you give a name to all of these things, then it changes into proper noun. Next we see is material noun. It is a name of substances or materials. Okay, substances or materials. For example, water, iron, steel, sugar, wood. All these are material nouns. Okay, wood is a material noun, but if you take the wooden glass, then it's a what? Proper noun. Okay, wooden glass. Okay, because made of wood. Sorry, it will be common noun. Okay, it will be a common noun. That's the difference. Collective noun. It is a name given to a group or a class. For example, mob, nation, people. Okay, it's a collective noun given to the group or a class. Same class. Boys, full group. Girls, full group. Okay, but we cannot call them collective noun. But when we say class, then it is a collective noun. Class of what? Class of students. Okay. Mob of what? People. Army of what? Soldiers. Right. So they all are known as collective nouns. Concrete noun, it is the name of things that could be experienced through the five senses such as sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch that we have. For example, sunrise, fragrance, sweet, rain, water, etc. So concrete noun are those nouns which could be sensed through our sense organs. Okay, through our sense organs. With our eyes we could see, with our nose we could smell, with our tongue we could taste, with our ears we could hear, and with our skin we could feel. So they all are concrete. Now if your mother is cooking something delicious in the kitchen and you are in your room, the moment you get the aroma of that dish to your nose, you will know that something special is being made in the kitchen. Now, for example, gajar ka halwa. If the gajar ka halwa is being made by your mother in the kitchen and you're sitting in some other room and you get that aroma, you get that smell, sweet smell of gajar ka halwa, you will immediately know, you can immediately imagine that your mother is making a gajar ka halwa. How? Through the smell. You did not see, but through the smell. So what it is? It is a concrete noun. Okay, it's a concrete noun. That's the example that when you are sitting inside your room and it's very hot and gentle breeze blows. Okay, so you feel it, right? You can feel it. So you know that the breeze is blowing. Okay, that is what the concrete noun. Another thing you can feel is about the what you call food that you eat. Okay, that is also a concrete noun. Then comes the abstract noun. It is the name of qualities, ideas, emotions, actions, feelings and conditions. These nouns are the names of the things that cannot be seen, touched, heard, smelled or tasted. For example, day, time, pride, love and ability. So abstract noun is something which cannot be seen, which cannot be touched. That means just the opposite of concrete. In concrete, you use all your five senses. So with that you can know the concrete noun. Whereas in abstract, none of your senses would work in this. Okay, there is something else. It is something else beyond our senses. That is what it is said abstract noun. Now when you eat, that eating process we cannot see, right? But that is there. Okay, that is there. That is what it is. You said that no, we cannot see anything, but still it is there. That is called abstract noun. I believe that you have understood this much. That what is this abstract noun, concrete noun, all the types of nouns. For your homework, exercise number 1, 2, A and B will be there. So you please go through these exercises and complete those exercises in your book. Till then, I will come back day after tomorrow with the next exercise and next explanation. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.